Today, I'm going to show you how to eliminate 3 hours of work from your week by using one ChatGPT prompt. And that is my optimization prompt. This has been so helpful. I used to spend at least 1 hour optimizing every single video that we had on our YouTube channels. Now it takes me 5 minutes. It's pretty amazing. And I've developed this over the past probably 6 to 9 months, and it's just gotten so good. The prompt is so specific that it will work for any video in any market. And it's a great little tool. It's free. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use the prompt, exactly what tool you're using to create the prompt, and then where to put it in your video when you're optimizing the video. This will save you so much time. And this is doing a better job on our videos on all of our channels, as well as the channels of our clients. We've seen increased views, increased subscribers, and better video performance by using this prompt. So let me show you how to use it. Okay, so I just chose a video that we have already published before. We didn't have one available for me to actually go and publish, but I wanted to show you how this works because it's going to be exactly the same. But assuming that this had not gone out yet, what you're going to do first off is go to the front end here. And the next thing you're going to do, you need to get this tool right here. And I'm going to show you what this is. It's called YouTube Summary with ChatGPT. This is so helpful. It's free, by the way, and it's absolutely unbelievable in accuracy. So download this, get the Chrome extension. And once you do that, that's going to show up on the front end of YouTube when you actually go to watch a video. Once you have that installed, just go right over here and summarize. So just go to ChatGPT. Now I just click on this because I have the latest version of ChatGPT. It's going to open that up for you in whatever version you're using on your end. But it'll go in here, and what it's going to do is it's going to summarize the entire transcript for you. Now, I will say you do need to have your video completely processed because it will not be able to pull this transcript if you just uploaded the video. So make sure your video has been uploaded for a couple of hours at least, but then you can come back here and it will do the entire transcript for you. And then it's going to go in here and basically do a bunch of highlights. You're not done here yet. We're going to pull my prompt. Now that we have the bones of it, we're going to go pull our prompt and put that in. So now this is my YouTube SEO prompt. Again, if you want this, it's down in the description. It's totally free. Just click on the link and then it'll send that to you. But you can just copy and paste this entire thing. So this is for your description. This is for your YouTube chapters. And this is for your problems list, which if you've never used the problems list, I hope that you start using it, because if you are using the problems list, you're optimizing your video for what's called AEO and GEO, which in layman's terms is just the AI picking those things up and listing them in things like ChatGPT. So living in Dallas, Texas, our real estate team gets listed as the top real estate team in Dallas, Texas, because we are AEO and GEO optimized on our YouTube videos, on our blogs, on all the places. And so we're trying to optimize for search engines and for AI engines like ChatGPT to be able to pick up information. That's what the problems list is. This is basically feeding Google with ideas for, the FAQs that come up for your city or state. If someone were to search for Dallas, Texas, there's a list of FAQs that come up with that topic on Google. So this is priming your video to be the source for the answers to those questions. So you want to make sure you're doing this. All you have to do is take this little description here, copy that. We're going to go back to ChatGPT and go back here to the same thread that we just put all of that information on. You're going to paste that in. Now, before you click enter, go to the top 3 or 5 keywords for your video. Now, let's go look at this video. We're talking about North Texas homes. And after doing the research that we did, the top videos here, the McKinney, Texas is what we're trying to rank for here. So McKinney, Texas, we're going to basically just take our top 3 to 5 key phrases here and put those in, and those are what we want to rank for. So McKinney, Texas, McKinney TX, not that one because obviously that's spelled wrong. McKinney, living in McKinney, Texas, probably McKinney, Texas homes too. I'm going to go ahead and throw that in here. I would not do more than 5. So 3 to 5 is really good for this. The rest of this should just go ahead and generate the entire thing for you. So it'll take a couple of seconds to go ahead and do that, but the ChatGPT 5 update makes this so much faster than it even was a couple of weeks ago. But you'll notice here that this is really well done. Now, if you did want to go through and make this more conversational, every once in a while I'll say, hey, I want this to be a little bit more conversational, and it will just refine that whole description for me. But this looks pretty good. Just skimming it, it looks exactly the way that I would want to paste it in. YouTube chapters, these are really accurate. So instead of using the automatic chapters that you see on YouTube, or, you know, if you're using TubeBuddy or any other Channel Studio is what we recommend for, Channel Studio is what I would recommend for your optimization tool, but if you're using TubeBuddy, that's okay too. But the automatic chapters, whether it's from YouTube, TubeBuddy, or any of the other tools, do not use them. They're really bad. These are going to be so much better. So those chapters look really, really good. They're all optimized with key phrases, and then the problems list as well. Now, problems, they just need to end with a question. That's really all the problems are. You're answering, it's a question that will be answered during that segment inside of the video. So the problems list is going to be super helpful. And I would just browse through these really quickly and just make sure that they actually make sense. Because if it's too specific, obviously, Google's not going to pick it up. So, let's see, what kind of communities are in McKinney, what floor plans and probably not that one. That one's a little bit too specific. Kitchen features are common. I would probably remove that one too. So things that are just a little bit too specific and not really talking about the community as a whole, I'd probably remove. But other than that, that's pretty clean. But overall, you can add this. So like I said, the problems list here. Let's go throw that in. You just scroll down here to the bottom and look, there's the problems list right there. So let's see, that's too specific. So we're going to remove that one. We're going to remove that one. Let's see, that one's okay. That's good. Yes. So all of those look really good. And those are all really relevant to the city of McKinney anyway. So it's really a very, I wouldn't be surprised if one of these questions ended up in an FAQ at some point. Now, of course, you need time on internet, so it may not happen right away. But, you know, in a couple months, if I saw that there, would not be super shocked. So stinking easy to use, so simple. All you have to do is copy and paste that. Again, if you want that, that's down in the description below. So feel free to just take it and use it exactly as it is. It will help you save so much time on your videos.